Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you on our lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2016 Toyota 4Runner Limited. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power side mirrors with signals, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. The 2016 Toyota 4Runner offers a unique driving experience, and it's one that doesn't have to end when the pavement does. This 4Runner has 20-inch unique dual 6-spoke alloy wheels and mud and snow tires with lots of tread left. There's also a full-size spare tire and a low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this 4Runner is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, heated wipers, a tow hook, and a really nice grille with a chrome bar to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder 4.0 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This 4Runner has 4-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 18 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this 4Runner has only 43,526 miles on it. At the back of the 4Runner, you can see the antenna, the rear spoiler, and the high mount tail light, along with the power rear window, the tow package, large LED brake lights, and sleek badging. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious, and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features 2 power outlets, a sliding cargo deck, and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this 4Runner has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold-down armrest with cup holders and power outlets, as well as the back seat pockets. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice simulated wood and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated and cooled leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This 4Runner is also equipped with a locking glove box, a garage door opener, and a push-button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the driver's seat memory, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with express up and down. This 4Runner has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 15 JBL speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, Sirius free, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year, 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty parts and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the lifetime vehicle exchange program. We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.